What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to the continuation of the 3-star walkthrough series on Cut the Rope. This time we are still on Fabric Box, but we are moving on to the second row of levels, starting out with level 6. And if you needed help on any of the other levels on Fabric Box, or in the game in general, check the playlist at the top of the description, and it has a walkthrough for every single level if you do need help on that. It is all right there for you. For this video though, we are focusing on level 6, so let me hop into it and see what we are working with. So this level has a shit ton of bubbles on the screen, as you can see, and this is kind of a harder level, but it's a little bit fun if you could get the hang of it and have to pop the bubbles. It definitely makes the nerves go as you're going through the levels and getting the stars. But it's kind of hard to explain as far as commentary goes, what's going on. But you could find and there really is no great way to solve it. You could find your own method of solving this level. But essentially, you just push the bubble around with the balloons and just have it go so that it's hovering over the 3 stars. And all the stars are in the bubble, so you just need to get it into the bubble and then pop it right away, because obviously all the other bubbles under it are going to cushion its fall. And just make sure to get all 3 stars, leaving some bubbles over Omnum, of course. Otherwise, you're going to have to push it around with the balloon, and that might take some time as well as make your nerves shoot up again. But if you could just have it right under a bubble anyway, you could just pop it until it's eventually under Omnum for a safe delivery. If you had any questions on how this level worked though, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that though, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.